Looking for Under Armour athletic apparel for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Under Armour mission is to make all athletes better through passion, design and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Ultra soft, mid-weight cotton blend fleece with brushed interior for extra warm, by Under Armour. Number 2, Under Armour NCAA Marshall Thundering Herd, Women NCAA Full Zip Fleece Hood, medium, carbon gray, another great product by Under Armour. Number 3, cotton-rich fabric has a soft, athletic feel for superior comfort and performance. Updated fit with longer length and generous screw neck. Anti-odor technology, loose fitting. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.